In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Chrome account quickly and easily. Whether you want to add a new Google account, switch to a different Chrome profile, or simply use a separate account for work, school, or personal browsing, this guide will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get right into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click on your profile icon. This is the small circle or avatar that shows your current signed-in account. After clicking it, you should see a menu with your account details and profile options. If you want to add a completely new Google account, click on Add Account. Chrome will take you to the Google sign-in page where you can enter the email address and password for the new account you want to use. Go ahead and sign in with your new Google account. Once you finish signing in, Chrome will connect that account to the browser and you'll be able to use it for syncing bookmarks, passwords, history, and other Chrome data if you choose to turn sync on. Now, if your goal is not to add a new account, but simply switch to another Chrome profile you already created, that's even easier. Open Chrome, click your profile icon again in the top right, and then look through the list of available profiles or accounts. Select the other account or profile you want to use, and Chrome will switch over to it right away. This is the best and easiest method if you already have multiple profiles set up, because it keeps your work, personal, and other browsing sessions separate and organized. If you do not see the account you want, you may need to add it first and then switch to it later from the profile menu. This is especially useful if you share a computer with family members, or if you want one Chrome profile for school and another for personal use. It helps keep your bookmarks, saved passwords, extensions, and browsing history separate so everything stays clean and easy to manage. And that's it. Now you know how to change your Google Chrome account by adding a new one or switching to an existing Chrome profile. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.